We got a great video for you today on how to have fun camping. That's right, the Coachmen 2024 camper van. If you're looking for luxury, this is the one. Maybe the best overall luxury van on the market. If you haven't, check out our Facebook, Instagram page. Hit that notify button. Check out our website, How to Have Fun Camping. This is the sister channel of How to Have Fun Outdoors. And guess what? You're going to love this channel. We do all kinds of campground reviews, RV reviews, and we travel all over the country. You're going to love this channel. Definitely subscribe, hit the like button, and let's go check out the Galleria. All right, folks, here we are. We've got the Galleria, the lithium package, the Li3. Beautiful boards here. We're going to go quick with this review. We've shown this unit in the past. This is the Galleria by Coachmen, manufactured down in Indiana with Nick, the general manager, and his team. They've done a phenomenal job with the quality, the fit and finish. Truma there. This is an all-wheel drive, so this one's got it all. Lithium, all-wheel drive, Mercedes 195-639. That's the 2024 Coachmen Galleria 24A all-wheel drive in maple. We're going to show you that. Big old steps here, really nice. Coachmen, and as you can see, you can hook up the TV right here, charging center, big handle grips on the side, and then take a look at what they've done with these seats. They have done a remarkable job. Stitched in Galleria, beautiful Mercedes chassis with all the safety features, diesel, plenty of cup holders, really nice screen overall. But what's so cool about this design is these two can swivel. You can drop in your table right here, have your breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you want together. Really nice. But if you're somebody that's working from the road, working from home, you swivel this around, and now guess what? You've got a full desk right here, folks, with your TV, your remote control for your fan, but then more importantly, take a look. Everything you need: freshwater, gray water, black, your LP, house battery, chassis battery, your temperature, all of your lighting control, all of your diagnostics, mobile apps, all your awning, etc. 110, and this big countertop. And boy, oh boy, has Coachmen done a great job working with these guys. Take a look at the quality here. Swivel this out with the Amish. Really, really nice to put all your storage in there. No question about it. Really sweet setup overall. Then down here, more storage. That's right, folks. Again, swivel, work on your PC. Again, 195 lithium all-wheel drive. You can hit that pause button for a minute. There are the options on this particular unit. And overall, you can see it is quite the unit. Let's move over to the galley, the kitchen, 110 outlet. Coming across, you can make your dishes over here on the induction, pass the food out, under mounted sink, stainless steel, really nice with the faucet, spice rack, nice towel holder, all in that stainless kind of look, and boom, lots of storage in there, folks. Really, really nice. And you're going to see that the Galleria just has so much storage with that extra 2 feet. And no question about it, it's nice. Little sponge holder there. You pop these open, and as you can see here, all the storage you have in this unit, really, really nice. And there is your trash can setup, really nice. And then boom, as you come in here, and if you want to know quality, take a look at this. I challenge you to look at your RV and see if you've got that dovetail with the Amish high quality woodwork. And again, the boys in Indiana know what they're doing. All right, how about this? Induction stovetop, really nice. You can get also an external one that you can pop up here. But how about this? They've added the convection oven now, so you can do your turkey, chicken, pizza, whatever you want, get it in there, microwave or convection, a big plus. But what I love about Coachmen is the way they handle, that's right, the shower. All woodwork, really nice quality. Take a look at that, folks. No question about it, pretty sweet. Liche would love to be here, but she's up in our booth, 25-foot booth here at the Hershey Show, and first YouTube booth ever, and we're having fun with it. If you haven't subscribed to How to Have Fun Outdoors, we now launched How to Have Fun Camping. We've already had How to Have Fun Cruising, How to Have Fun Fishing, and now we've launched our India channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors Hindi. Check that out also if you want to learn some Hindi. Porcelain toilet, really nice, nice sink, really nice setup here. Shower, take a look at that shower head, real high quality, nice LED lighting, fan setup, and no question about it, a big shower so that you can feel comfortable. Nice towel rack there, folks, and this snaps down. All right, so we're moving back now. As you can see, you've got the galley, the shower, all this little office space. This is what gives the Mercedes an edge with this Galleria, is that extra 2 feet. We come back, boom, big freezer, big refrigerator. This thing is huge. Take a look at that, folks. You want to hit the road, you want a boondock, you got lots of room in there to put all your good stuff. And then how about the back? Really nice. Again, this foam is absolutely amazing. You don't have to worry about buying another mattress pad. And there's so much here to look at. Take a look at what they've done there. Really nice swivel out for your dirty clothes, whatever you need. There's your TV. You've got Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, all of that built in. Super, super sweet. You can watch your How to Have Fun Outdoors there. And then take a look at the storage. There's your JBL stereo system. But the storage on this is remarkable. No question about it. I mean, this is one of the big advantages of the Mercedes and this Coachmen Galleria. You've got so much place to storage, and that's always the complaint with the Class Bs. Everybody loves the Class Bs because you can go anywhere in them. State parks, national parks, you can maneuver tight roads, have a lot of fun, but can you get all your stuff in it? Well, guess what? On this one, I think you can. In addition, they've also put in the beautiful, that's right, the Truma, beautiful brand new air conditioning. Look how sleek that looks. Beautiful, really high quality unit with the LED lights, with that wood. Really stands out at this price. And then they have an all-wheel drive Mercedes diesel along with the lithium. That's hard to find. Really nice shades here, folks. As you can see, you've got the USB connectivity here. Also, this is a nice night light that you can read your books with. Same thing over on this side. Everything's already lined up with the speakers underneath, which is a big plus. Fuse box here, more 110s here. Really, really high quality. But overall, I think you would agree, this is a super nice unit. Let's go ahead and take a look at this outside real quickly. And there's that beautiful, beautiful color on that Mercedes. No question about it. Look, the side exhaust. We've got a dualies back here, so nice and stable. Truma hot water, the 110, as you can see. So you can hook up whatever you need. Really nice laid in glass there, folks. And then as you come around, you're gonna see the back of this unit, a big screen. So you can pull these doors back like this one right here. You've got the big screen so you can lay in the bed, look out at the mountains, look out at the ocean. No worries there. And how about the kitch system? Really nice. Coachmen does a great job with this also. There's all your connectivity with this Mercedes. Check out more with that CoachmenRV.com. They've got a lot on the website. But take a look at this. Once again, Coachmen goes the extra mile. Smart plug, super secure fit. Nothing's gonna break off there. Really nice. And look at what they do. Lock behind, there's all of your black tank flush, city water connection, etc. Satellite cable, your extension for if you want to shower off the dogs. You can do that after they've been on the beach and they're all sandy. And overall, you can see this is one gorgeous unit, folks. Take a look at the size of this big Mercedes with that big Truma AC on it. It is gorgeous, filled with the lithium like we talked about. So this is one gorgeous unit, no question about it. Comment down below, what do you think of this 2024 Galleria? This is one gorgeous unit, and we'd love to get your feedback. Well, the Galleria is one fantastic Class B RV camper van. No question about it. Thumbs up on this one. And yeah, the price might be up there, but the quality is there also with those Amish cabinets, all the lithium system, everything built in the USA. A great, great product. Thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Camping.